The majority of beginner affiliate marketers are all doing it wrong. Now, I know we all get into the industry hoping for fast earnings, hoping for a way to make money quick and easy. But most people quickly find out that it's not like that. Now, I don't want to sugarcoat anything for you. I'm not going to make you promises of riches or making millions or anything like that. There's only a few things that anybody can truly guarantee you. So I'm going to make those guarantees and only those guarantees. I believe that over my 15 years of being in this industry, I've seen a lot of different things. I've been through a lot of different struggles and challenges, which led me to no success. So being a person that's been through these struggles, I don't want you to have to go through the same thing that I went through. It's only been recently, within the last couple of years, 3 years or so to be exact, going on 4 years, that I've actually been a full-time online marketer. Now, a lot of times I categorize myself as a affiliate marketer in my videos, but I see myself as being something much bigger than that. I consider myself actually to be a resolution specialist. So what that means to me is that I help people who have certain problems. I help those people find certain solutions to those problems. Now, one of the biggest problems that I had as being a beginner affiliate marketer was that I couldn't find a way to earn consistent income and commissions until I found a simple program. Now, since I found that program, it solved that problem for me. Now, along with that and other skills that I've learned along my journey over these last 15 years, I've been able to have a full-time business that earns me a full-time income, which means that I don't work a traditional 9 to 5 job or 9 to 9 job as a lot of people are having to deal with these days. I do this for fun and I do this for income. Now, I want to touch on that topic there of fun. Most people, I would say 99% of the people that are online looking to earn an income from home, they're not having any kind of fun whatsoever. It becomes more of a hassle, a struggle, something that they kind of dread doing on a daily basis, if they are even consistent enough to do it on a daily basis. And do what that is. That is, do what's necessary in order to build a full-time business in the online make money from home space. Now, since I know that most people won't do that, I'm not going to promise you or guarantee you that I can help you earn an income from home full-time while you just sit back and do nothing at all. I can't make that guarantee because that's not realistic. I know what I had to go through over my journey, and I know that telling you that it's as simple as 1, 2, 3 steps is actually lying to you. So I'm not going to tell you that. What I'm going to tell you is that there's about 100 different processes, if that goes on in any given affiliate marketing business or online business. Now, it's how you manage those 100 or so different things that's going on that's going to determine whether or not you're going to be successful. Now, the one thing that I can guarantee you is that I will provide you with different tools that'll help you navigate the individual spots that's going to give you trouble. That's my job. As being a resolution specialist, providing solutions to the problems that I know are going to come up for you. Since you're going to be doing this journey, I want you to be aware that there's going to be problems. I want you to know that honesty and being upfront and giving you the information straight like it is something that I'm all about. So I don't want to sugarcoat anything for you. I don't want you going into this thinking that it's going to be easy. It's going to be fun and games. Now, there will be fun and games. We're going to incorporate as much of that as possible to make the journey as enjoyable as possible. But I want to make you aware, and I hope that you're serious enough and aware that any real business, any serious business requires you to actually do work and put in the necessary work. Keyword, necessary work, in order to get the job done. Now, there's going to be some things that you may like doing and that you love doing, and then there may be things that you absolutely dislike doing. But it's usually those things that you dislike doing that are simple enough to do, but it's just something that you really don't want to do, but it's the thing that actually yields the best results and that gets you the results that you want, which is the income. So that's my goal here, and that's to help guide you down this journey that you're going to go on. Now, there's going to be hundreds, if not thousands, of opportunities that pop up for you along your journey as a beginner affiliate marketer. I want you to examine all of these opportunities, and I want you to make sure that you're going through a valid checklist in order to evaluate these opportunities to make sure that it's not a waste of your time. So the number one thing on the list is you want to make sure that it's something that you're actually interested in, something that you can actually talk about, want to learn about, and can actually share helpful information, and it becomes something more of a balance of work and play. And I throw that in the mix of a lot of what I do when I say work and play and fun and things like that, because those are going to be some of the elements or the things that's going to keep you engaged and keep you going. Because this industry, if done wrong, if done the wrong way, can be very, very boring and tedious, and it can seem very, like you get to the point where you're like, I don't want to do this. This is corny. Now, me personally, I felt like that in the beginning until I actually learned how to make this fun. And this is one of the only industries that allows you to be creative. If you have a creative mind, it allows you to be creative. And it makes me smile to think about it, because I am able to be very creative in the way that I spend my time building my business, having fun. Now, I won't say that it's all fun and games once again, but I will say the things that I like to do in the industry is fun, and even the things that I don't really enjoy doing, I find a way to make those things enjoyable also. And that's what I want for you, because that's what's going to keep you engaged. Now, it took me years. I've been in the industry, as I stated, about 15 years now, going on closer to 20. Sometimes I don't want to add the numbers up like that, but I've been in the industry for a long time. And like I said, it's only been the last few years that I've been able to be full time. So a lot of challenges occurred in those years. But if I wasn't able to find a reason to stick and stay and continue on the journey, I would have fell off years and years ago before I would have made my breakthrough. I found those ways to have fun, and that's what I want to provide for you, because I know that's the only thing that's really going to get you to endure the challenges that's going to come long enough for you to get your breakthrough. So with that, I'm going to end this video. You guys know, as usual, I say in a lot of my videos, I could talk about this kind of stuff forever, for days. But I'm going to leave you guys with this. If you're truly interested in starting a home-based business, a affiliate marketing business, a digital marketing business, whatever type of business that you want to call it, doing the things that you like and love, learning valuable skills so that you can apply those skills to whatever it is that you might want to apply it to. And maybe we might partner together on those different projects. You might have something enjoyable or fun and exciting and new that I'm not aware of, and you might want to share that with me, and we might be able to collab and do some things. And that's my idea of what I call partnership versus being a customer. That's another key to success that I learned over my journey, and I want to share that with you guys also. Being more of a partner in business with someone. Now, even though our online businesses aren't traditional brick and mortar businesses, you still have to have a traditional business mindset in a way in order to still operate this online space, because it's a lot of those skills and a lot of those things that are valuable in the real world, so to speak, that will really help you in the online world. Building those connections, building those partnerships with people, and working together in order to reach the end goal. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. I look forward to spending some time with you, working with you, finding out what you like and love to do to help you build that next business. So comment ready if you're interested in getting started, and I'll see you guys on the inside.
Meet Tom, an ordinary man in an ordinary world, working a mundane job at a call center. Day in and day out, Tom's life was a series of routine calls, endless scripts, and customer complaints. But today, the ordinary was about to become extraordinary. Tom's days were predictable, but little did he know, his life was about to take an unexpected turn. Frustration boiled over as Tom, pushed to his limits, said something he would soon regret. And just like that, the stable ground beneath Tom's feet crumbled. Fired and facing an uncertain future, Tom's life was thrown into turmoil. With no job and no plan, Tom found himself at a crossroads, questioning everything he thought he knew. Tom spent days searching for a new job, but nothing seemed to fit. Frustration and desperation began to set in, and so, a seed was planted. A seed of curiosity and desperation that would lead Tom into the unknown world of online money-making schemes and affiliate marketing. This is the beginning of Tom's journey, a journey that would take him through the darkest corners of the internet, filled with scams and quick fixes, until he discovered the true path to success. Welcome to the twilight zone of affiliate marketing. Stay tuned for part 2, The Illusion of Easy Money, where Tom's quest for a quick fortune leads him down a perilous path.